What's going on? We got you on the iPhone 11 Pro Max on the DJI OM4 gimbal stabilizer. Got you in Palo Alto today at the park. It's really windy, really windy. And I thought I've planned ahead. I said, hey, let me do a video somewhere else instead of Alum Rock Park or the BART station. So I put all the stuff in my bag, and when I get here, I'm clipping on my lavalier mic, and I find out that the windscreen's missing. And it's like really windy over here. It's right by the water. So I've done like 4 takes. I either forgot to press record, the face tracking wasn't tracking, or the audio just sounded terrible because of wind. So I'm using the external microphones on the Tascam DR-05X to try to see if I can get some audio without the wind noise in the background. So I got one hand on the gimbal and one on the Tascam. Hopefully I'm blocking it enough. So this is my final shot at this. If it doesn't come out good, then I'm not gonna have a video for today to post. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.